want to turn into ashes.
I like it burnt.
I like it edible. For real.
Burnt is edible.
No, it's not. It's crispy. Nice and crispy, but not edible. It's not an ashes. I want it to catch on fire.
Yeah, good job.
I got on fire.
Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, that's the burn I'm talking about. That's the burn, baby. Good job. Good job.
I only like the top of my.
Awesome.
Yeah, I like.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, kind of.
They black. It's them
Y'all
handles.
quit messing with that charcoal.
No, it's them handles, them old cheap
Oh,
Dollar Tree handles.
What you eating on? You gonna eat on half of that? You ready hungry?
They eat on eat everything but food. Won't touch no solid
Oh,
food.
look at you. You smiling too. You know that, Cameron.
You want a punch? You already cooking?
I'm good. Everybody eating s'mores. Y'all s'mored up? Are y'all s'mored up yet?
I mean, my second,
Uh-oh.
right?
You going for a second?
I think this is my third.
What? Ooh,
I'm gonna-
y'all going hard in the paint. Hard in the paint.
Come off this. We gotta go.
Burn, baby, burn.
My other one set on fire twice.
What? Ooh, that's nice and toasty. I like that one. Wow, look at that. You're getting good at that, man.
Now just this side.
Just one other side. That's good.
But when we eat hot dogs, we need the pitchforks.
Ah, hot dog and pitchforks is different. It's a different kind of fork. Depending on what you're doing. You just want a little bit. You ain't even got yours burning.
That's
what you should have did. Yeah.
Right here.
Good job, Monte.
Thank
Show
you,
her how to do
Monte.
it.
Show me.
Show her how to do it, Monte.
Thank you.
Show her what's up. She wondered why it ain't working.
Right, because I'm doing it wrong.
Because whenever I broke one of these things, our car was going. My hand was going. Everything. Are we going this way? Yeah.
Crap, I should love something.
Wait.
Find it if I do. Okay. I'll look for it.
Hey, baby.
Just maxing and relaxing, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, he done laying his head to the side.
Hey, you see the sofa in the struggle?
Over there?
Come get it. You saw it?
I think it's
Thank you.
I think it's
All right. I'm gonna let y'all know y'all live right now.
Oh, okay.
Because I want to look at this. I want. Let me see your shirt. What does your shirt say? Your shirt says Camp Jeremiah. What? Is that somebody's birthday date? What's the time of 5/27? 10. Is that your birthday, bro? So it's all about you then. This thing's all about you. Birthday boy. Oh.
Awesome.
I love it. So this is Camp Jeremiah. Y'all know that? Did y'all know this is Camp Jeremiah?